Okay, today is February 5th, 2025. I am making a dough today. This is my dough right here. Okay, I have flour, have egg whites, have butter, and salt. It's right there. Okay. As you can see, I did not use the food processor. I was going to use the food processor, but it's not. Did not allow me to use it, so I'm doing everything by hand right now. All right. I'm still doing it by hand. You can see it here. This is what I have right now, working on the dough, okay? So the purpose of this dough is I'm going to make a tortilla, okay? This is my tortilla wrap right here. All right, so far this is what I have. All right, it's getting... Like I said, I don't have a tripod on this camera, so I'm using my other hand to fold this dough inside the bowl. Very tough for me. All right, the way I pulled it, like that, like that. If the bowl is moving, pardon me, okay, because I'm holding my camera right now in my other hand. All right, I'm just folding this on using my left hand right now. All right. Okay, right now I'm gonna let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. I didn't put a yeast on this. I don't think it's gonna expand at all. I'm just gonna let it sit, okay? Okay, this is my tortilla dough after 20 minutes. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cut it into little pieces where I can make a tortilla wrap. Okay. I cut my tortilla dough into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, there's another one there right there. Okay. Okay, this is my homemade tortilla wrap. I'm gonna put it in the. I'm gonna heat it up now. Okay. This is the first tortilla wrap right here. This is the second one. All right, I just flipped my tortilla wrap, okay? It's right there. Maybe you ask me, it looks like a freaking lavash or it looks like a freaking naan. But it is tortilla. The bubble coming up. All right, I see the bubble coming up, so I'm gonna flip it one more time. Okay, as you can see, this is my wraps right here. This is the 8th one. I just completed my this is all my tortilla wraps right here, as you can see. All right. Yes, this is what I have. I burned my, well, this is not a casserole, so I think this is better than the one that is coated by Teflon, and I don't want to use that. All right. Okay, this one right here, this is my tortilla wraps, and I have so many of them. I got more than 20 of them. Okay. All right. Jerico Matias Cruz here. Today is February 5th, 2025. All right. These are my homemade tortilla wraps, okay? All right. My house smells like a burn. Smell like smoke from this wraps. All right, it's gonna be a lot of cleaning today. So these are my tortilla wraps. Okay, I just completed them.